Our Top 5 Best Earpiece for Police Radio. One number product. QHM01 Surveillance Earpiece. We kick off our ranking of earpieces with an item by TWAYRDIO. They are well known for manufacturing handheld and mobile radios, plus the accessories they come with. What can go wrong, then? The brand's good name speaks for their products. And this earpiece is no exception. Its biggest highlight is definitely endurance. Each of its components, from the earpiece down to the earphone clip and the Kevlar reinforced cable, is heavy duty. As a consequence, they can resist long working days and plenty of use. And even in those weird occasions when a component happens to malfunction, there's no need to worry. Every accessory is replaceable, from the coil to each of the inserts. That means you can substitute them after they break, but also if you want to upgrade any of them separately. Another key feature here is versatility. This kit offers both in-ear and open-ear inserts to go with every occasion. If you are in a crowded place, benefit from the earbud, which will be closer to your inner ear. However, if what you are looking for is comfortability, you should try the ear mold inserts. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter which insert you decide on, because this earpiece guarantees an amazing sound quality either way. With 114 decibels, it's well above its competitors when it comes to audio characteristics. Two number product. MaximalPower Surveillance Headset Earpiece. Next, we'll discuss a product by a modern company whose goal is to help your pocket stay alive. What do we mean? Well, MaximalPower's stated mission is to provide high-quality audio parts at convenient prices. And they deliver. How do they do it? You may ask. By focusing on what's important. For instance, check out this earpiece's audio output level. At 72 decibels, it is a little below its competitors, but you really need sound to pierce your eardrums. If you are a law enforcement officer, you know the best radio earpiece is the one you can have constantly on without your ears bleeding. There is another good reason why this item doesn't require excessive audio levels. Its earbud blocks out exterior noises, which means the sound on your device goes straight to your inner ear. Hence, it is the perfect companion if you do police or security work among huge crowds. Do you know what else needs to be just right among big multitudes? Your headset's cable. If it is too short, you'll feel it tugging at your ear. When it is too long, anyone is prone to get tangled with it. At 6 feet, this item's cable will hang close to your body to eliminate those possibilities. Plus, it includes an earphone clip to prevent the cable from tightening up and breaking. One last piece of advice, this earpiece may suffer a great deal from humid environments. If moisture gets inside the coil, blow gently on it. That will make it work again in no time. Three number product. Generic covert earpiece and mic headset. This next item may be a bit of a puzzle for some people. The reason? We have to be honest, most generic products are simply below par. Don't let that line of thought fool you this time, though. That's not what happens with this earpiece and mic headset, at all. Let's take a look at its features. First off, it comes with a UV-resistant, surgical-grade, clear acoustic tube. The fact that it's both transparent and durable plays well with demanding scenarios such as policing. Moreover, add to the mix a pair of soft gel ear molds. Their build makes it possible for any law enforcement officer to wear this headset all day long without the ear pain. However, it also comes with an in-ear insert, something more appropriate for noisy environments. You know how generic items stop working all of a sudden? Well, the pogo pin on this one won't let that happen. Pogo pins, also called spring-loaded pins, strengthen electrical connections against mechanical shock and vibration. Running and jumping won't cause them to glitch. And we have finally arrived at the most important feature, the one that probably makes this item the best earpiece for police radio. Among its multiple characteristics, this headset's radio adapter includes a built-in line, noise reduction microphone with an integrated push-to-talk button. I can't think of anything better for situations where covert, urgent communications are paramount. Can you? Four-number product. His Police Acoustic Tube Earpiece. The fact that this company comes to us from the other side of the world doesn't make it less outstanding. In fact, all of his products conform to international standards such as the ISO 9001-2000 certification. And that is also true for this earpiece. His TC617-1 Newton model features a listen-only earphone that was built to work with every top radio and remote mic manufacturer. We're talking about Kenwood, Motorola, Vertex, ICOM, and the sort, all of them well known to the two-way radio user. Because of its open ear insert, silicone ear molds, this item is ideal for use in crowded settings such as concerts or traffic-ridden avenues. No matter how loud the rock band or the honking, you will get crystal clear communications. However, that doesn't mean it won't perform well over quiet backgrounds. What you need in those situations is silence, and that's what you get with this earpiece. Don't worry about someone overhearing dispatches that are meant only for you. This product's high-grade, surgical-type acoustic tube will take sound straight to your ears and to nobody else's. Clip it on and stay safe on night patrol. Plus, you will be the precinct's hero, at least for a fellow officer. How is it so? Because, apart from its convenient price, his earpiece comes as a 2-pack for you to share. Five-number product. Keyblue Surveillance Kit Listen-Only Earpiece. The name keyblue may not sound familiar to most two-way radio users. Nonetheless, that doesn't stop the company from providing high-quality products. As they find their way into the US market, they bring us a surveillance kit that performs as well as any other while still being suitable for a low budget. Here is where the buck stops, literally. Luckily, what doesn't stop here is this item's advantages. Keyblue's engineers are also aware that not every handheld radio features a 3.5mm jack. That's why you can order this product to come with a 2.5mm plug instead. Some people need that kind of versatility, and most brands don't care about 2.5mm plugs anymore. So, all in all, if you are in search of a great radio earpiece for law enforcement, you may be surprised. This kit's noise-canceling earbud is a tight fit for everyone. Its soft silicone will caress your ear and help you go through a long day's work without aches. Moreover, its acoustic tube is a great addition to the whole package. Due to its transparent opaqueness, it's ideal for covert operations where keeping a low profile is needed. Thanks for watching this video.